have some big plans for today.
If you're like me, constantly staring at blank walls and feeling uninspired, then you know the struggle of trying to find affordable, large-scale art. I've searched everywhere, only to realize how expensive these pieces can be. You know what? I'm just gonna make them myself.
When we go out, it's always fun. You pick me up when I am down. And that's just one of many things that makes me believe that you're a dream. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect. From the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad, so perfect. When I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh, 'cause girl, you're perfect, amazing. That I'm kissing you, it's not what you expect from someone so perfect. Yeah, you're perfect. From the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad, so perfect. When I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Yeah, you're perfect. From the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad, so perfect. When I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh, 'cause girl, you're perfect, amazing. Say I'm kissing you, it's not what you expect from someone so perfect.
Okay, so I have finished stretching the canvas to the frame I've built. I've used a staple gun to staple around it. On the other side, I've used something called gesso. Basically, it's a primer that I put on the surface of the canvas. It's a mixture of chalk and plaster, so it's non-toxic. After putting on the primer, when you paint, the paint will not bleed through the canvas. And now I just have to let it dry and wait until tomorrow to start painting.
자꾸만 마주칠 때 스치는 너의 그 시선이 떨어지는 방법을 모르는 저기의 저 별과 같아.
Believe it or not, painting the canvas is actually the easiest and the most enjoyable step of the whole process. As I'm trying to make abstract art, I really can just paint it in whichever way I want. Worst case, I can just paint over my mistakes and start over again. I have some wood trims left and I want to make it extra fancy, so I'm going to frame the art as well. I did wax the outer frame too, to add a darker tone to it and to bring out the wood texture as well. I just repeat the process as I'm building the inner frame by sanding, gluing, and brad nailing them together.
I have made 4 arts in total today. Now, all of them are on the wall. Let's take a look.
It took me 2 whole days, but it's all worth it. And I'm super happy with the result. They added so much color and texture to my home and just made my home so much cozier. Never let the thought of something being impossible hold you back. Sometimes the most incredible journey begins with a single step. Just start and dive in, and you might be surprised by what you can achieve. The result may not be a masterpiece, but we will always find joy in the process.